What a quick recap of yesterday's trade here. Didn't follow every rule, but I kind of knew where it was going to go. You can see my number one thing is check daily bias. If we go up to the hour, I would say that we've kind of got the big green candle here, big uptrend, then the retracement, and then we're kind of still overall in an uptrend. Definitely bullish. Oh, wrong bit. Chart, and then if we come back here, retracement's done. So then if we zoom into yesterday down to the 5 minutes, we're looking for a bullish trend. So we're looking for that liquidity sweep, and for me it was down here. That's the liquidity sweep. I actually had a buy in at that point. You can see here you've got this bit here, that's your first low. Then we tap it again, because the first one never triggered it properly. And then the second one, that's what starts the move upwards again in the 5 minute time frame. And then I would say it's at this green candle, that's your closure above that recent high. So now we're in the uptrend. We're looking for the retracement, which I should have actually entered here, but I checked my phone a little bit late, and then that's when I entered here. So I was maybe, what was that, like 10-15 minutes late checking my phone there, because I was kind of monitoring that. But once you can see it reacts off of that fair value gap here, goes back up, and then that's the confirmation that I need right there. And then another thing is that is also called not equilibrium. Damn, I learned this confluence yesterday, but basically it's like if it hits off of previous highs as well. It began with an E. It'll come back to me. So yeah, reacted off of that, and then once you get that, move back up right there on the 1 minute. If we zoom out here, all I needed was candle closure above there. So I would say on that candle I could have entered. That for me is confirmation. So I was literally a tiny bit late, and then from there, target previous highs. I literally put my phone away and I just went, where's that gonna go? Sorry, if we go back down to the 5 minute here again, I think I just went target that previous high on the left there and then chain off. It's literally tapped that almost exactly, and then came back down. And then if we look at the history here, that's £170 right there. So followed my plan, actually worked out. The only thing is, go back into the 1 minute time frame. Over here, if I'm taking a trade, 0.25 lots, which was that one, stop loss on previous lows, minus £71. I'm over trading there because my account was, I think, £1.5 grand at the time. So 3% of that max per trade would be, I think, about £50. So I'm probably at about 5% of my account. So I was definitely still over trading. But for me, that's a risk I'm willing to take. But that just means I can only lose, at 5%, 20 trades, where 3% I can lose 30 trades. You're just a lot more foolproof. You've got a lot more chance of winning. But yeah, for me, biggest thing going forward is just stick to the trading plan. I've got my funded account past, stuff like that now, so got to stick to that. Got to make sure that I don't blow any more accounts, because I always seem to do it as well. And if you do this, watch out where you'll have a good week, maybe even good 2 weeks, where if we go back through this right here, like here, I've got a minus £700, but quite consistently here I'm okay. We're up money. That 700, that was a dumb one. That keeps wiping out profit. The 80 and the 116 there, that was me trading with my strategy. Still with the strategy, and it's just wins and stopping out. And then you come down to here, and that was on Thursday. The minus 324, the minus 1441, and the minus 304. That's like the best part of 2 grand I've lost. And what ended up happening was I was already up money for the day. I followed my trading strategy, and then with them, I didn't follow the strategy. I just kind of went like, oh, look, okay, it isn't a downtrend, and there was a liquidity this week, like 2 hours ago, and it probably still isn't a downtrend, and like, it's not the best bet, but I might still be able to make some money. And then I took the trades, and yeah, it doesn't work out. So if you have the same issue as me, where you make money and then you can make like 1,000 one week and 500 the next week, and then 1 or 2 trades will just wipe out your whole progress, yeah, it's probably over trading or overconfidence or revenge trading if you've lost quite a bit. And I can fall into that trap a lot, and I'd say that's why I'm not profitable long term, that, because I don't stick to my trading plan 24/7. So that's what I need to work on going forward here. And then I want to make a full video explaining my trading plan, and then just stick into it all of next week, Monday to Friday. That's all I'm going to do.